What are the steps in the divorce process? Well, the first step is to get the other party served with paperwork. After they are served, generally they have 30 days to respond. If they don't respond, then we can request what's called a default from the court. But usually the other party is aware and they know that you have filed for divorce and they will respond within the 30 days. After that 30-day time period, after they've responded, within the 30 days, usually we begin a period of negotiations with the other party, trying to settle the case without having to go in front of the judge. Normally that involves sending offers of settlement and exchanging counteroffers as well with the other party. If that's not successful, oftentimes the court will require that the parties attend mediation, and normally in New Mexico that's called settlement facilitation. What settlement facilitation is a way for the party to resolve the issues, generally in the same space and time. They're together but in separate rooms, and where there's an attorney that goes back and forth between the parties until an agreement is reached. If an agreement is reached at settlement facilitation, then the paperwork is drawn up for the settlement agreement. The final decree is drawn up as well, and that paperwork is signed by the parties and then submitted to the court. Once the court receives that paperwork, the marital settlement agreement that's been signed by the parties and the signed final decree that's been signed by the parties, the court will then enter the final decree of dissolution of marriage in your case. At that point, once the court signs that order and files it, then your divorce becomes final. Again, there are a few steps in the divorce process. It can go fairly smoothly if you decide that you want to work with an attorney to help you throughout that process. We at Genus Law Group can help you through the divorce process to ensure that you can get the best resolution possible.